Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious seafood boil recipe. This meal is such a flavor-packed platter of seafood deliciousness. This video is kindly sponsored by Tbs Food Steamer. This is their G52 multifunction food steamer. This food steamer can be used to steam all types of meats, seafood, grains, and vegetables. I'm going to use the Tbs Food Steamer to make steamed seafood boil, and because the seafood is steamed, it's going to be packed with so much flavor. Let's get started. The seafood we're using for this recipe are some snow crab legs and shrimp. We're going to start by seasoning the seafood with a bunch of spices including Slap Ya Mama seasoning, lemon pepper, paprika, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, and brown sugar. Use about 2 or 3 tablespoons to season the snow crab legs and the shrimp, and then set the remaining seasoning mix aside for later. Mix the seasoning in with the snow crab and shrimp, and once everything is mixed well, we're going to steam them. So I have my Tbs food steamer here, and the steamer has multiple steaming compartments so you can steam more food at the same time. I'm going to pour some water into the water tank. The water is what steams the food really nice and well. Once the water tank is filled, I'm going to place the snow crab legs onto the first layer of the food steamer. The steamer has enough space to fit more than enough food. I'm going to pack the shrimp onto the next layer of the food steamer. Once the second layer is filled up, I'm going to cover up the food steamer. Then I'm going to let this steam for 20 minutes. The steamer has 7 preset cooking times, which makes steaming very convenient and easy. Once the food is done steaming, the steamer has a keep warm function that automatically keeps the food warm for 2 hours. The shrimp looks very well steamed. Unlike many food steamers that can make your food very soggy, Tbs food steamer is designed to help your food stay dried, textured, and full of flavor. Now this is my favorite part of steaming. The broth that drips down from the meat onto the tray is liquid gold. It is so good because it isn't diluted with water. It is pure delicious broth from the meat. I'm going to place the steamed snow crab legs and the shrimp onto a platter and set aside for later. And then I'm going to pour the broth into a steam pot. We're going to make a delicious sauce for the crab legs and shrimp. I'm going to add some smoked sausage to the broth, and then I'm also going to add a whole bunch of butter. Next, we're going to add the remaining spice mixture we set aside earlier, and then we're going to squeeze in the juice of a whole lemon. Then we're going to heat this up and allow everything to melt together. Off camera, I went ahead and steamed some corn, and I also steamed some baby potatoes in my Tbs food steamer. I'm going to add the steamed corn and potatoes to the steamed shrimp and crab legs. And then as soon as the sausage and sauce have finished cooking, we're going to pour them all over everything. Once the sauce is poured over it, this is ready to be enjoyed. This steamed seafood boil came out so flavorful and delicious. Because the ingredients are steamed instead of boiled, they hold so much flavor. The crab legs are my favorite. They just taste so good. This seafood boil came out absolutely delicious. I really enjoyed making this recipe with my Tbs food steamer. Tbs was also very kind to send me a second product. This is their steam pot, and it works very well together with the food steamer. The steam pot can be used to make all types of soups and comforting meals. I'm gonna show you how to make a simple chicken soup with the steam pot. Season some bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs with your favorite chicken seasoning. I'm gonna leave the ingredients to mine in the description box. Next, we're gonna add a cut-up onion, some fresh garlic cloves, and cut up celery. The best thing about making soup in this Tbs steam pot is you don't have to add any water, so you get the full undiluted flavor of the chicken. I've gone ahead and filled the base of the Tbs food steamer with some water. I'm going to place the steam pot over it, and then I'm going to set the timer and allow the soup to steam for about 45 minutes. And as I said earlier, you don't have to add any water to your soup because steam is going to rise from the base of the steamer through the center opening, and it will condense and drip all over the ingredients. This method of cooking reduces the time ingredients spend boiling in rolling water, and it makes the food less oily and extra flavorful. Look at how much broth the soup has produced without adding any water. The soup is so warm, comforting, and very delicious. I've been quite sick all week, so this soup has been extremely comforting for me. I really had fun cooking with the bouillon steam pot in the food steamer. The food steamer is very easy to clean and it's also dishwasher safe. Compared to other food steamers on the market that are very bulky, bouillon food steamer saves space in the kitchen because it is built in layers. It's very compact yet spacious. The steamer has an external water refill, so whenever you need to refill with water, you don't have to take it apart, which makes things very easy. I highly recommend bouillon food steamer. It is very affordable and high quality. I'm gonna leave all purchasing details about the food steamer as well as the bouillon steam pot in the description box. There's also a 20% coupon code for you guys. I'll also leave all ingredients and measurements for this steamed seafood boil recipe in the description box. Thank you so much to bouillon for partnering with me today, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!